think you're going to like this picture. Love that Bob.
Want you to meet the family known as the real McCoys. That's Grandpappy Amos, the head of the clan. He roars like a lion, but he's gentle as a lamb. And now here's Luke, who beams with joy since he may take Mrs. Luke McCoy.
Would you like to be hairdresser queen for a day?
I'll be with you in a moment.
And now, the Ann Southern Show, starring Ann Southern. Yes, it's Pete and Gladys.
Ride the little train that is rolling down the tracks to the junction. Forget about your cares, it is time to relax at the junction. Lots of curves, you bet, and even more when you get to the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
Robert Young, Barbara Billingsley, Vivian Vance, William Frawley, Jane White,
Anne Jeffries as Marion Kirby.
Art Carney.
with Eleanor Donahue, Billy Gray, and Lauren Chapin
And Leo G. Carroll.
as the Beaver in Father Knows Best.
Still they're cousins, identical cousins, and you find they laugh alike, they walk alike, at times they even talk alike. You can lose your mind.